Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the Sceptre model and its maximum refresh rate so you don't request unsupported values. Once done, make sure you're using the best cable, display port for high rates, HDMI for common rates, and plug it in. Now open Windows Settings, go to System, then Display, and click Advanced Display Settings. You're doing this to see current refresh rate and active adapter. This step prevents confusion and applies the correct output to the monitor you're about to change. You'll now change the rate. First, confirm you've selected the target Sceptre monitor in Advanced Display Settings when multiple screens exist. Next, click Display Adapter Properties for that display, open the Monitor tab, and use the Screen Refresh Rate drop-down to pick your desired value. Apply the change and watch for immediate flicker or instability. If the image remains stable, choose Keep Changes. You're doing this because the OS enforces compatible modes and keeps your screen usable if the new rate fails. Finish by confirming the change. Open your Sceptre on-screen display and verify it shows the same refresh rate windows applied. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date because driver updates unlock supported modes. Once done, test a game or motion video to verify smoothness. If the monitor won't accept the rate, switch cables or lower resolution and try again. Quick troubleshooting tip: if instability persists, reset the monitor to factory settings to clear any mode conflicts before retrying the desired refresh rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.